Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix DLSS Frame Generation if it's not working in Halo Campaign Evolved on your PC. We'll go through several settings in Windows and the NVIDIA App that can help restore DLSS Frame Generation functionality. Let's get started. Solution 1. Enable hardware-accelerated GPU scheduling. First, open the Start menu and type Graphics Settings. Open Graphics Settings. Next, click on Advanced Graphics Settings. Locate Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling. If this option is turned off, switch it on. After enabling it, you must restart your computer. Once your PC is restarted, launch Halo Campaign Evolved and check whether DLSS Frame Generation is working. If the issue still persists, continue to the next solution. Solution 2. Configure DLSS settings in the NVIDIA App. Open the Start menu, type NVIDIA App, and launch it. Go to the Graphics section. If Halo Campaign Evolved already appears in the list, select it. If you don't see the game, click the three dots and choose Add a Program. Browse to the folder where Halo Campaign Evolved is installed. Select the game's exe file and click Open. Once the game has been added, make sure Halo Campaign Evolved is selected. Now open the Global Settings section. Locate DLSS Override Model Preset. Click the pencil icon next to it. Change the setting to use 3D App Settings, then click Apply. Next, locate DLSS Override Frame Generation. Click the pencil icon. Again, select Use 3D App Settings. Click Apply to save the changes. Launch the game again and check whether frame generation is now working correctly. Solution 3. If the issue still hasn't been resolved, go back to the NVIDIA app. Open the Drivers tab. Click Check for Updates. If a newer graphics driver is available, download and install it. If you're already using the latest driver, select Reinstall Driver instead. Once the installation or reinstallation is complete, restart your computer. Now launch Halo Campaign Evolved again and verify that DLSS Frame Generation is working properly. That's all there is to it. One of these solutions should help restore DLSS Frame Generation in Halo Campaign Evolved and improve your gaming performance. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Halo Campaign Evolved tutorials, PC gaming guides, and troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.